Crafts, and I'm Kathy. Today's going to be a quick tip of the day is what do we do with an old vase that is so boring, you could say, and make it into something amazing. What you need is tape, the vase, any size, doesn't have to be a big one or small one. Paint, I'm painting the areas with silver paint, and I'm going to add silver glitter glue to it. I'm going to add some bling to the areas, and then I'm going to paint with a sponge instead of a brush. I think using a sponge on glass makes the painting a little bit more neater, in my opinion. So let's get started. First you need is the tape. Take a piece of the tape, cut it, and then you have to make like a diagonal cut, and then you add to wherever direction you want to have the tape, your design, and then you do another piece. Like I said, you have to do this in order to make it have a good, I should have cut it the other way. Cut it this way instead. So you'll have a good connection here like this. Because you don't want it, you want to make it perfect. So, like this. So you'll have this perfect V shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can do whatever you want or any kind of directions you want. But what I'm going to do is So now the next step is painting. You need your paint, a paintbrush, use this to mix the paint with. Now I'm going to add the glitter glue to it. Some more little sparkles in it. Now what we do is mix it. Just need something to mix it with. Thought I had everything. I don't. Add the gloves, and now you can start painting. Take whatever excess paint you had on the brush that you used to stir with. go. Wait for it to dry and do a second coat to it, 2 coats. And then when that's done, we go to the next step. And now this is what it looks like. I love it so far already. So now the next step is to add your bling. Or your little diamonds if you want to say it. So what I'm going to do now is I cut up these long strips from my roll that I have here, like I told you. And then after I cut that big piece off, I decided to cut little skinny strips off, and that's it. So what you can do now is take your glue gun, I'm just going to add just a little bit up top first to put that one diamond at the top piece. And I'm going to go down the sides of every corner here. So everybody, here is the finished project. I think it looks awesome. You also use gold. They also have gold diamonds like this. They have rainbow colors. You can use anything. You could have painted it white, but I decided to do it this color. And now all I need to do now is fill it up with water if I want, and put some fresh flowers in it, or you can just fill it up with sand or other colored rocks and put a candle inside. You can do that too. There's so many great ideas you could do with this, but right now this is what I did. It's the finished thing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you want to have any notifications on any of my new videos coming up, press that tiny little bell. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Love you all, and hope to see you again. Bye.